Hello everyone, starting off with the introduction of my email server. It's a Smarter Mail system category email server, and it offers a strong email communication platform. It provides scalable, secure, and effective email services, optimizes email management, and it has different features like calendar, integration, mobile access, and different spam filtering. Here, as you can see, is more features about the Smarter Mail that I have applied. I have 4 virtual machines. I have one for the Smarter Mail, one for the primary domain controller, and 2 for the clients. Those are some of the details or some of the features that I have added to my project. As you can see, you can have a look at them. I have different types of storages, softwares, web applications, and application frameworks, and different things. Moving on to the main thing. As you can see, I've went to the Hyper-V and I have 4 virtual machines showing right now. Starting off, I'm going to go to the domain controller, the primary one. And then as I'm going to it, I will have different things in it. Those are the IP addresses that I have used for the primary domain controller. As you can see, I have a preferred DNS server, IP address, and different things. And then after closing this, I have opened the server manager, and inside of this, I have applied the active domain controller feature in the manage tab at the add and delete feature. All right, so as you can see, I'm going to the features and Active Directory domain services is installed. So it have been applied successfully, and the domain is Hamid.com. Moving on to the next step, which is checking the mail server. First of all, I'm going to show the IP address and the things that I've applied. Note that the preferred DNS server is the IP address of the domain controller, so that all of them gets connected. After that, moving on to the mail server. The domain is hamidmail.com for the mail server. And then when you click on it, you can see more details. The host name is mail.hamidmail.com. And I have different options and features available in it. Moving on to the accounts, I have 3 users, one for the admin, which is the primary administrator, and 2 accounts for sending and receiving the messages or the emails. I have a username, a password, and different features like POP3. I'm using them for the service. And then moving on to the different accounts to show, for example, Ahmed. I have 2 clients, Ahmed and Faisal. This is Ahmed. The features and the things available are being shown, as well as Faisal, and it has the Faisal at hamidmail.com. So they're using the domain that I have applied or the one that I have made. Moving on to the next virtual machine, which is for the client. I have user 1. Those are the things that I have applied, the IP address, and note that the preferred DNS server is the one that was made in the primary domain controller. And now this is the interface inside Mozilla Thunderbird, which is the application that I'm using to send and receive emails. I have inbox, drafts, send items, junk emails, different types of features. Now I'm sending from user 1, Ahmed at hamidmail.com, to Faisal at hamidmail.com. Subject is testing. I'm trying to see if the email server is working, like the service itself. Would it be able to send from one user to another? Hello, this is a test email for testing purposes. And then email has been sent. Now moving on to the next client, which is the other interface. As you can see, it has been sent. Now I'm logged in with Faisal at hamidmail.com. I've opened the other virtual machine. As you can see, everything is working. I've received the email testing, hello, this is a test mail for testing purposes. Moving on to the mail server. Okay, now how did I do the accounts, or how did I make them? I'm moving to the step. First of all, I click on the accounts, I go to new, and then here I can put a username and then a password, and I confirm the password, and everything will be working. I can make different types of accounts, I can add different features, different types of services as well. All of it is working perfectly fine. This is some showing or demonstrating the features that I have. As you can see, the username has been created. The user itself. I have 4 accounts now, and I can get it going and send an email directly from the user that I created. And thank you so much for watching this video. We have reached to the end.